Hello and welcome to From the Roots Up. I'm Makayla and today we're going to be making bouquets. So one of our favorite stores in town, Flourish Folk, is having a kids makers program. So I get to go over there and sell my bouquets. We're going to be making bouquets out of zinnias, sunflowers, and filler, which is mostly just wildflowers and basil. A lot of very tall basil. So let's make some bouquets. So I've been growing these flowers as a thing I got for Christmas. It's called a grow along. It's been really fun so far. You get to grow flowers along with Flower Hill Farm, and it is super fun because every day, almost every day, I get to go outside and just see what new flowers I have. And it's also fun because it's part of my business. She sent out seed packets that had seeds in them. The Benary's Giants were one of those, and then these kind of darker orange sunflowers were one of them, and the cinnamon basil, and the little Rudbeckia in this bucket. We went to the Dollar General, and we were just looking for little vases or jars, and we found these super cute little mugs that say "Live Life in Full Bloom" that we thought were perfect for this. So we're going to be using these today and a big vase. Let's get started.
How are you?
Good.
Good. This is Makayla.
my flower farmer.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
These are beautiful. I can't believe you grew them. I'm so impressed.
Hard.
You have been working hard. They smell so good. Okay, let's see. So we have 15. Are they all 15?
No.
The tall one is 20, and then
Okay.
the little ones are 15.
Okay. Did you make all these yourself?
I have
Mommy helped this time because we had to use the stand mixer.
Flourish Folk is such a cool store. While we were there, we decided to paint our own pottery in their pottery studio.
We are so thankful to Kylie at Flourish Folk for letting Makayla come bring her bouquets and have a place to actually sell them other than just the farmer's market. That was so fun to sell them in a real store, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah? How did you feel when you got to bring your bouquets in?
Excited.
Excited? And then when we picked up the one that didn't sell, what did you get to pick up with it?
My check.
Yeah, she made some money. And it was so exciting. But before you go thinking that she just went and bought all sorts of fun, silly things with her money, she's gonna tell us a little bit about what she did with her money. What did you do with the money that you earned?
I spent it on helping people that don't have Bibles in their language to get Bibles that they can read.
Yeah, that was such a good thing. Ever since she was, I don't know when we read that book, 6 or 7, maybe 8. There's a book called God Speaks Numangong. And this book, it's really good. If you have kids and you're trying to teach them about the Bible translation process or things like that, this is a really, really great short book, but it's about a missionary family who goes and has to create a written language for a community so that then they can translate the Bible into that written language. And ever since then, Makayla's heart has just been broken by people around the world that don't have access to the Bible. They can't just go pull one off the shelf to read like we can, and she just has really had a heart for making sure people have that opportunity to have that in our own hands. And this summer we got to talk to Mr. Spencer, and Mr. Spencer said, I can make that happen, and we are so thankful to him. So where did your Bibles go?
To Kenya.
Yes, she got to get some Bibles and send them to Kenya. Here's the pictures of our Bibles that Makayla ordered going to Kenya, and we were so thankful for that. And I love this girl's big heart. So hopefully as she develops and grows her business more, she can do more things like that. We're so excited about the potential for that next year. Going forward, it's gonna be great, isn't it? Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
We are so thankful that you joined us for this fun adventure of Makayla's first store selling experience. And please be sure to hit that like button to give Makayla a little shout out. And then hit the subscribe button. We've got a lot of fun content coming up. You can see how Makayla's business progresses over the course of the next year or so, and what she does with that. And it's going to be lots of fun. So again, we're so thankful that you're joining us. Have a great day.